everyone, my name is Amanda Else, and I'm Advanced Glazings Limited Marketing Manager. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is on how SoleraWall can provide you with a lower cost option to add glass into your next insulated metal panel building that works, performs, and adds value to your buildings. So make sure you're subscribing to our channel and ring the bell up top for a notification every time we upload a new video. So let's get started. Here are 3 ways that how SoleraWall can provide you with a lower cost option to add glass into your next insulated metal panel building. So the first is that SoleraWall installs just like insulated metal panels. The second is that our transitions are fully integrated. And the third is that SoleraWall is a cladding system, leaving the framing behind. So what exactly do we mean by all of that? Well, let's dive in. So the first is that SoleraWall installs just like insulated metal panels, saving you time on installation and providing you with a faster build time. SoleraWall uses the primary structure of the building, minimizing the need for a secondary structure. So how exactly do we do that? Well, that's through transitions that are fully integrated. So we have 3 transitions that are available, and they can be used on both our translucent SoleraWall and our vision glass SoleraWall panels. So the first is called a sill transition. And the way this works is that you have your insulated metal panel at the bottom, your sill transition on top, and then you still have your starter. And if you're not familiar with the pieces and the system contract details of SoleraWall, I highly recommend you go watch the system contract details video that I have linked below. So the starter plate goes right on top of the sill transition, and then your SoleraWall panel right on top. And that's how that one would work. Transition type we have available is called a SoleraWall header, and this allows you to have SoleraWall at the bottom, and then you can place your insulated metal panel right on top. And that's how that transition type would work. And the third transition type we have is called an insulated metal panel backer plate. So this allows you to have your SoleraWall and your insulated metal panels side by side. We're here to help make sure that you use the right transitions for your building. The design of your building will impact what transition and the potential of several transitions you might need for your project. So the third example that we have of how SoleraWall can lower the cost of your next insulated metal panel and glass building is that SoleraWall is a cladding system. So opposed to infill, SoleraWall goes over the primary structure of your building. SoleraWall eliminates the cost and need for infill and curtain wall. So these are just 3 examples of how SoleraWall can lower the cost of your next insulated metal panel and glass building. We're here to help you add glass into your next project. SoleraWall is available in both the translucent glazing to add natural daylight and vision glass to add views into your next project. Thanks for watching. See you next time.